So guys, let's explore Osaka Shinsekai. May bilihan ng yosi dito guys. Cafe Adipeti. May mga palaroan talaga dito guys. So, mga baril-baril, ganon, no? Maaga pa ba? It's already 12:51 na guys. For rent, clean home. May mga for rent din sila dito guys. Tapos ito yung tower guys, Osaka Tower. Inside, Osaka Shinsekai. Yan siya. Ganda no? Biglang gumanda yung panahon guys. Grabe talaga, tignan nyo, nawala oh. Nawala yung ulan guys. Diba? Kaya nga hindi tayo nag-ano ngayon. Kaya hindi tayo Universal Studios. Kasi nga, yun, uulan. Pero hindi naman. Pero most likely guys, mamayang gabi uulan ulit yan. Maganda lang talaga yung weather ngayon. Pero syempre pamayang gabi, di ba? Nakauwi na tayo. Di ba? Uuwi na din naman tayo, hindi naman tayo magtatagal. Ayan guys. Ayan, yung tower from Osaka Shinsekai. Ganda guys, no? Ito, Hirotaya Cigarette. Bila na yung Osaka Ebisu Hotel. Dito pala yun. Sa Shinsekai siya mismo guys. Osaka Ebisu Hotel. Diba? Kung gusto nyong magstay mismo sa Shinsekai, go. Stay at Shinsekai. Doon, sa Osaka Ebisu Hotel. Tapos, dito din yung Shinsekai Market, guys. New World Market. Oh, yung cute niya, guys. See? Ayan yung mga pushikatsu. Mga deep fried na kung ano-ano. Ang nice naman dito guys. Na close pa nga lang yung iba. Or hindi ko alam kung close pa or close na. Pero alauna ng tanghali guys. House in Machiyado. Ito yung history guys sa Shinsekai. Ay, dati may cable car pa guys. Diba? May cable car pa dito dati guys. Nawala na nga lang. Family Station Shinsekai. New World Market. May mga tagusan din dito guys. Ayan o. Ayan yung picture. Tapos ito kayo. Diba? Nice. Pwede mo ilusot yung mukha mo dyan. Yamazaki Sun Royal. Guys, kanina pa ako naiihi, wala lang akong makita ang CR. Kaya tatapusin na lang natin itong gandulo. Para na ipakita ko sa inyo itong Shinsekai Market. Pero mostly, close meal naman eh. Sa Chinese stall na. Ayan, may soba, udon. Yan. Narating na natin yung end ng market nila, guys. So, for now, ito na yung Shinsekai. Ay, sorry. Osaka Tower. Yan. Ang ganda, guys. So, yeah. Let's find. Let's keep on walking. Let's go. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Tennoji. So, let's go to Osaka. Tennoji Zoo. Para mag-zoo tayo. Dito siya, guys. Ganda, no? Tara, na makakita naman tayo ng mga animals ng Japan. So, ayan, no? Ayan mga sample. Ayan siya, guys. Let's go! Hi, good evening. One?
Okay,
Yes.
500 yen. Do you have a discount card? Osaka subway card. One day Osaka subway card?
No.
Okay, one day 500 yen.
Okay.
じゃあお預かりします。one day ticket. Thank you.
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。Thank you. Guys, hindi na tayo. So, mayroon palang discount kapag naka one day pass ka. Pero guys, kasi hindi siya worth it for me. 450. Guys, ang ganda oh. This place is giving.
Please do not throw any foods into the cages. We thank you for your understanding and cooperation.
Let's go, guys. Let's explore. Ganda, guys. No flash photography. Do not tap on the glass. Ganda, guys, no? See? This place is giving, guys. Let's go. iFar. Invertebrates, fishes, amphibians, and reptiles. Ito na crocodile dyan. Ang warm dito, guys. Ay, totoo yan. Ay, wow, totoo. Buhay na crocodile. Puro kalmot dito, guys, ha. Ayan siya, guys. Ang laki, guys. Ang laki na, oh. At dalawa sila. This is here. Ano? Oh my god. Look ako dahil is giving, guys. It's giving. Oh my god, super lapit ko. Ayan, ang lapit ko, guys. Oh my god. Japanese crocodile, guys. Ito. Ayun lang sila, guys. Nasa gilid lang sila. Laki ng ngipin, no? Here is turtle. Ay, ang cute. Kumakain yung turtle, guys. Ayun. Kita niyo ba siya? Ayan siya, guys. Kumakain yung turtle. Ayun, gumagalaw. Ayun, titingin niya siya. Ayun siya. Yeah. So here, ano meron dito? Ayun. Kita niyo ba? Sa likod ng bato. Yung bato. Tortoise. Dami nila, guys. Daming tortoise. Cute, kumakain na. Itadakimasu daw, guys. Ang cute. Tortoise. Kasi ito yung mga baby pa, guys. Mga baby pa yan. Kaya nandito pa sila sa parang infirmary. Baby tortoise. They're so big. Ang big nila, guys. Ayun pa, meron dun malaki yun. Ayun, ang laki nun. Dito, goldfish. Mga goldfish dito, guys. Dito naman ay blue tongue skink. So, guys. Ayun, nagtatago. Nasa ilalim ng lupa, guys. Kita niyo ba? Ayun, yung kulay yellow. Tatago siya sa ilalim ng lupa, guys. Hibernating. Oh my god, guys, the snake. This is the ball python. Ito siya, guys. Laki niya, guys. Gising. Gising siya. This one is the Kenyan sand boa. Ay, ayun siya, guys. Tatago siya. Ayun yung ulo niya. Ayun. Kita mo? Tatago siya dun. Tapos doon siya hanggang dun. Ayun. see it. They want to see it. Here, guys, is Gira Monster. Ayun siya, guys. Natatago din. Ayun. Kita niyo? Ayun siya. Gusto di makita niyo. Here, there. That's it, guys. Gira Monster. This one, guys, is white tree frog. Where are you from? There, it's color brown. Here is a baby crocodile. Where are they? There are fish here. There, this little black fish. Where are the baby crocodiles? Oh, here is the baby crocodile.
Whoa! Mommy, look at this. Mom, there's fish. Mom, there's fish there.
Oh my god. Look at that, guys.
Look at fish.
It's big.
Because they're too nasty.
See, that is nice. Chinese alligators are in the exhibit area because they are hibernating now. So Chinese alligators. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. What's in here? Hermes python. Oh my god, guys. It's the Hermes python. See? It's big. Wow. Up and close up. That's what you call up and close up. So ito yung kanilang spotted pond turtles and Indian roof turtle. Kitang Indian roof turtle. Ayun siya, guys. That's the spotted pond turtles. And that one, the little one there, that's the Indian roof turtle.
This is creepy. This one's hard to find.
Look, the name is snake neck
This one's
turtle.
creepy.
Where is it? Oh,
Look at the eyes. See, what is that?
it's yellow. Yeah, guys. Can you see that? Oh, it's there. It's hiding. Can you see that? It's hiding. Under the wall. This Chinese crocodile design.
Look at this chicken. Alive? I'm looking.
Green iguana. Let's see the green iguana. Where are you? Oh, here. It's me, guys. See? It's the green iguana. And it's long.
Last one.
The ice. And this one is Cobalt 3 monitor. Where is it? The Cobalt. Oh, there. Speaking of how close can you get? It's long, guys. See? It tied its tail. So it don't fall. This one, guys, is water monitor. So where is the water monitor? I guess it's in the water. There. This one. It's hiding. See, it's hiding. It's this one. So let's move on, guys, to Japanese string toad. See? Let's find it. Where are you? Where's the toad? Oh, there. It's hiding. Don't see the face. There. It's hiding. This African blood frog. It's giving the white, guys. Parang hindi ko pa. Parang peke. This one is glass frog. Where is it? It's a glass. I can find it. Where is it? I think it's hiding. Crocodile lizard. This one is Cranwell corn frog. There, it's hiding also this. Can you see it? It's hiding from us. Cute. Here in the foot. See guys, this one is 914. Hey there. See that guys? So it's long and big. Damn. It's moving guys. It's moving. It's hiding. Hey. Is your eyes there? Hello. Hello there. Nice. You're so cute. This one is alligator snapping turtle. Nature in Japan. From subarctic okay in the north to subtropical Okinawa in the south. Japanese archipelago stretches approximately 3,000 kilometers in vertical height. It varies climate zones or various flora and fauna. There are animals found in Japan, including animals of temperate zones in North America. Some might claim nature and land like Osaka. Some might claim there's no nature around the Village City like Osaka. But it is far from the truth. Protected fish species can be found in the other river, and wildlife is thriving. Even in the city center, it's important to appreciate nature and wildlife. Close to home, not just dream about exotic animals in faraway land. Just imagine the impact it can have if the people in the world took greater care of international wildlife and its natural surroundings. Perhaps through human ecosystems can be achieved. Let's go here, egg laying. This Japanese fire-bellied newt. Oh, there. Can you see them, guys? There. Hey. That's their head. Nice. See? Frogs. Turtles. See? They're moving. These turtles are moving. Oh, you're putting a show. Yeah. 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 Cute. Oh wow. This is big fish. You see? These fishes are so big. Can you see them? And there's a turtle as well. See? The turtle's climbing up. Going there to the other turtle. But the fish, guys, look at the fish, it's big. And there's a turtle also there. Hello. Hi there. The big fish. The turtles will bite, don't put your hand in. So, mangangagat daw ang turtles. Nice. See? Can you see the insect? Yeah. So, yan siya. Ito siya, guys. Tsaka ito. Feel good job. Cute, so cute and liit. Pale chub, pond loach. Parang lato na to, guys. Yung nasa picture. No? I can find it. Pero yun siya, guys. Ayun daw siya. Para siguro sobrang liit na para makita. Ito naman siya, guys. So, Japanese giant salamander, field gudgeon, pale chub, and dark chub. So, ayun siya, guys. Oh, nag-moist kasi oh. Malamig yung tubig. Ayun sila, guys, yung fishes. Malamig kasi yung tubig. See? Tropics. Tropical. Ayun, guys. Kita nyo lumalangoy. Uy, wow, guys, the effect. Wow. The effect, guys. Oh, ito ata siya. Ayun yung mata niya. There's the eyes. Ayun siya, guys. ID. Diba? Soft-shelled turtle. Wow, parang naman tayo nasa jungle. Daming fish, guys. Fishes everywhere. Fishes galore. Lalaki na, guys. Ito siya, guys. Red spotted maso trout. Trout, kinakain to, diba? Ayan siya, guys. Trout. Oh, the effect. Here. What's in here? Ayan, nakikita niyo siya, guys. And this one is parang mantis. And this one is so ito sa mga naka-Japanese so hindi ko naintindihan. We're in jungle, guys. Jungle forest. Let's go. Look, a big hippo. As the bronze statue becomes hot, we smoke. No, it's cold. Let's take a picture. Hello. Taas ng araw, guys. Kailangan natin mag-shades. There. Hello, hippo. Nice. Ayan siya, guys. Can you see? Ang laki. Ang daming fish dito. Ayan siya, guys. Ayun na yun. Nakita niyo ba? Ayun. Ang laki na, guys. There. Breathing. Hippopotamus siya, guys. Yung skull niya. Ayun siya, guys. Ang laki dito pala. Ang laki na. Hippopotamus. Ngayon lang nakakita ng hippopotamus, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's that? I got curious, guys. I'm curious. Na-curious ako, guys, kung ano yun, guys. Ganda dito, guys, na. Ganda pa ng weather. Hi, guys. Herbivores daw ang hippopotamus. Guys, the fish is here. It's giving. Oh my god.
我要上胸左下，然后又把我弄成丹凤眼。
没有啊，真的没有啊，真的有。
日本这边没有那个
是鱼啊！Malaki ng isda, guys. Very fast ng isda. Keep this time. Tingnan nyo dito, guys. So, parang nasa ilalim talaga kayo ng tubig. Daming fish, pati sa baba. Oh, look at that fish. guys, yung hippopotamus. You can see here.
我们走吧。
Yung humihilot na yun.
就他们自己。
Ito siya guys, so yung dumi na. Eating feces, yung mga fish. Ayan siya guys. Bakit ng hippopotamus, no? Ganyan siya. Ang ingay niya. Hippos are heavy eaters. Yeah, they are. They are. Ganda guys, oh. May insektong umano sa akin. Dumapo. Daming insekto dito. Yung mga maliliit na insekto. Guys, ayan sila. Ang laki. They're big, guys. They're heavy eaters na talaga sila. Ang laki guys. Ang cute. Ang cute ng hippopotamus guys. See? Ang cute. Sila guys. Ayan. Ayan. Oh my god. They're big. They are big. Ganda guys, oh. Kahit din sa mga hippopotamus, oh. Mga kulay orange. Ayan sila guys, oh. Ang lalaki, oh. Laki nila sa personal guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ganyan sila guys. Ganyan siya kalaki. It's a bit small. These are guys. Pretty guys. What is that? I think they're hibernating. See, spring. So pang spring lang sila guys. Hindi sila pang winter. African Savannah. Hey, the giraffe guys. The giraffe is giving. It's eating above the trees. Hey, there's a crow. See the giraffe guys. There, the giraffe. It's eating. See the giraffe guys. Whoa. See the long time since I've seen a giraffe. This one is Torotragus oryx. And reticulated giraffe. Eland. Ay, eland guys. That's the eland. And that's the giraffe. And there's the horse. The grand zebra. Zebra pala yun guys. Yes. At nangaaway. Ang cute ng giraffe guys. Kita niyo? Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Happy lang sa ating. Ayun. Pagod. May takot guys, may takot. Parang lalapain tayo ng hyena guys. Dito pala guys. Ayun pala siya. Ayun pala siya guys. This is the hyena. Uy, putik ka. Nagulat ako. Uy, Liza. Oh my God. Guys, wala na yung hyena, guys. Nagulat ako sa lizard. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Pakita na, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. Guys, scary. The hyena is scary. It's scary. Oh my God. Nakakatakot pa lang ang hyena guys. Sa person. Eggs ng ibon. Wala. Ano dito? Ay, giraffe. Yung giraffe ulit guys. Ayan. Ayun may hyena. Ayun siya guys. Pasilip-silip yung hyena din. Ayun. Guys, so yun siya pasilip-silip. siya guys. Guys, it's the lion. There. Oh. Oh my god, tumayo na siya guys. Oh my god. Lion and tiger. Ito yung tiger, ito yung lion. Ayun, tiger. Ay, nagtatawid siya guys. Grabe yung lakas. Papa daw, papa. Ching. Ching. Grabe, tsura na guys.
狮吼功，
好吧，
是吧？
他可能饿了，没人给他。
哎，看起来真的好饿，
Patayin ulit siya.
看起来真的好瘦。
不过拍来这边让我们拍一下，
Oh.
就是因为是狮子座。
那是长毛才子，
哈？
他那个一巴掌扒下去，
好痛啊！
Ano siya guys, papahin mo siya. Scary. Okay, guys. Lion, tiger, yung horse, tsaka yung zebra. Huh? Giraffe. In one frame. Scary, no? Let's go, guys. Hyena tsaka tiger. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe what I'm seeing, guys. It's giving. Oh guys, dito pala sila guys. Closer look. It's a lion. It's a lion. Tiger, lion. There's the lion. Oh, sleeping.
4岁，2023年，14岁了。
他是母的。
这个公人已经14岁了。
他很老了，一般的平均寿命
养的，在12岁就死了。
狮子呢？
对啊，
不知道。
动物比较珍贵的。
哎，那他可能是饿了，那可能是东西。
我也是Leo。
雄狮的寿命比较短，女的比较长。
因为雄狮要跟人家拼命啊，又要交配。
还要学。你知道他们吃什么？他们是喂饲料。
以为你们有一只
Grabe yung tulog niya, oh. Oh my God. It's sleeping. The other one is there. Oh my God. It's scary. Nagmulot siya ng mata, guys. Natakot ako doon. Promise. Ayun. Ayun nagmumulat siya ng mata. Guys, nakikita niyo ba? Ayun siya, guys. Natakot ako. Nagmumulat siya ng mata. Parang, oh my God. Nakakatakot pa niya siya pag nagmulat ng mata. Ayun, oh. Ayun guys, oh, nakamulat nakatingin dito. Nakakatakot. Grabe. Ayun, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, bumukha ka siya.
这边慢慢速度，这里要从这里看。好，太近了吧，真的下来，快点！好快哦！不要看我，不可以拍哦，不可以拍哦，不要起来咬你。看看拍照。
是会狗。
换海豹子拍照，你看这边还有2只，都在睡觉。看到啦，看到啦。
ご来園の皆様にお願いです。最近、来園者による駐車内への食べ物の投げ込みが発生しています。
Bumili si Tibok ng puso ko, guys. Na nagmulat siya, guys. Oh my God. Kinabahan ako bigla. Dito tayo sa giraffe. Ay, giraffe. Tama, giraffe. The giraffe is giving, guys. It's giving a show. There.
Attention all customers visiting our zoo. Recently, there have been incidents where people have been thrown into the
Oh,
cage.
talaga.
These actions do not have to be bad, but can also prove like regular cat. Please do not relate to the cage. We thank you for your understanding and cooperation.
那我怎么样？那刚才跟我说。
妈，我们可以去看大象吗？
他帮我找了，没办法。
Guys, don't throw food daw.
不能用跑电视。
Huwag kayo magpa-throw ng food, guys. Cute. Guys, huwag kayo magpatrow ng food pag nandito kayo. It can harm them talaga. No? Ayun sila. Ayun siya guys. The smell. Asan yung isa? Gaano silang pagkain? Ano ang pangalan nito, guys? Ayun. Mouflon. Ayun, guys. Mouflon. Ito siya. Ayun siya, guys. Oh. Nag-ano siya ng pagkain. Sa inyo siya ng foods ko. Yun na. Tatakbuhan sila. Why? Why are you running? May penguin din dito guys, tsaka eagle. So later, let's check. Dito ano meron dito? Ay, exhibition is closed. Ayun. Jaguar guys. Bibili din tayo ng guys. Ay, pumasok na sa loob. Sa loob siya guys. Yung Jaguar. Bibili din tayo nun. Yung sasakyan pala. Yung sasakyan pala ng Jaguar. The fastest living mammal on Earth. Diba? Jaguar. Ayun na siya guys. The fastest living mammal on Earth. Jaguar. Ayun siya guys. Ang lapit niya. Ayun siya. Ayun siya. The fastest living mammal on Earth guys. Jaguar. Ayun siya guys. Ay, grabe yun. Ganda ng ano, dots niya. Ayun na, pumasok na. Diba? Kita na natin siya guys. Nag-show naman siya eh. This one is Jaguar. Panther. Ay, parang Black Panther.
여기가 독수리인가?
Black Panther nga guys. Si Black Panther pala to. Yun siya guys oh. Black Panther. Jaguar Panthera ones. Sana labas. Labas na mga besh. Yun. Oh my god, ang bilis. Ang bilis na guys. Ayun. Ayun siya. Kita niyo. Ayun. Oh my god. Oh my god, Black Panther na guys. Ayun siya. Kita niyo guys. Ayun. Kulay black kasi. Oh my god. Grabe tumakbo. Ayun siya. Kitang-kita ko guys. I'm not sure kung nakikita niyo dyan. Ano, pumasok na. Bilis na makbo guys. Ayun, lalabas ulit siya. Ayun siya guys. O, diba? Ayun siya guys. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dila-dila siya. Dog talaga eh. Black Panther. Jaguar. Dilaan niya yung sarili niya. Oh, grabe yun. Mag-iwi. Ito guys, kaso nga lang kasi pumasok na. Basta siya magpakita. Ayun siya guys. Siya pala yun. Siya pala yun nag-iingay. Oh. Parang nagtatawag.
Kakao. Baka na ba ha?
Ayun siya guys. Oh, ayun. Siya yung ginagawa ng sounds. Ay, grabe yung ngipin guys. Grabe yung ngipin. Ang galing. Ang galing naman ng camera niya. Kasi, nakikipag-usap tayo dito sa tiger. Ayun o. Nakikipag-usap siya sa tiger. Ayun. Narinig mo. Oo. Oo. Tinatakot siya ng jaguar. Ay, jaguar din pala ko. Siya yung gumagawa na siya. Hindi nyo nakikita guys kasi yung reflection. Ayun siya guys. Kulitan. Kaso nga lang guys kasi may reflection hindi nyo makikita. Ayun siya sa camera ko kulitan. Ayun sila guys. Kulitan. Ayun sila guys. Kita nyo diba? Kulitan. How about some eagle guys? I know we have monkey eating eagles, but this one, oh my god. This eagle is giving. Grabe naman yung eagle na to, guys. The eagle is giving. Ayun. Oh my god. The eagle's giving. Ganda, no? Hi! Tinitignan niya ako. Ayun siya, guys, sa taas. Hello, guys. So, yan. Nagpapahinga na lang tayo ngayon dito. Kakaupo lang din natin. Nakakapagod pala to, guys. Pero grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda dito, guys. Promise. There's yung tower, Osaka Tower, and dito naman sa kabila ko yung Osaka, tallest building in Osaka, diba? There's the Shinsekai, guys. Yun, nakikita nyo. Yeah, daming nating animals na nakita dito, guys, and so fulfilling na makakita ulit. May nakita tayong penguin, mga ganon, tapos hyena, lion, ang dami, guys, iba't ibang birds, ang dami ding birds, grabe, ang ganda dito, guys. So kung may time naman kayo, try to drop by here, puntahan nyo din siya, laanan nyo siya siguro mga half day. Kasi dumating ako dito mga 1 and then it's already magfo-4 na in the afternoon. So yeah, and napuntahan ko naman lahat. Naikot ko din naman siya lahat. So highly recommended, guys, na puntahan nyo din tong Tennoji Park or Osaka Zoo. Osaka Zoo. Tennoji Osaka Zoo. Puntahan nyo din to, guys, kapag may time kayo. Kasi ang ganda din dito. And dito nyo lang din makikita yung mga ibang species ng animals na wala din sa atin, no, sa Pilipinas. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you again on the next video. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe nga pala sa videos natin para naman magkaroon tayo ng maraming viewers. Thank you, guys. Bye!